Hi, I'm Cathy with Level Up RN. In this video, I will be discussing dobutamine, which is an adrenergic agonist and inotropic agent. At the end of the video, I'm going to give you guys a little quiz to test your understanding of some of the key facts from the video. So be sure to stay for that. And if you have our Level Up RN pharmacology flashcards, go ahead and pull out your flashcard on dobutamine so you can follow along with me. Dobutamine is an adrenergic agonist and inotropic agent used to treat heart conditions such as heart failure and cardiogenic shock. It is meant to be used short term when a patient has decreased heart contractility due to heart disease or after a cardiac surgical procedure. Our silly cool chicken hint to help you remember this medication and what it's used for is to think, dope, I just looked in the mirror and realized that butt is mine, and now I'm in shock, specifically cardiogenic shock, and need dobutamine. In terms of mode of action, dobutamine binds to Beta-1 receptors in the heart, which causes stronger heart contractions and an increase in heart rate. In turn, this improves cardiac output and blood flow. Key side effects of dobutamine include hypertension, tachycardia, arrhythmias, and angina or chest pain. In terms of nursing care, it's going to be important to monitor your patient's vital signs and cardiac rhythm throughout therapy. In addition, if possible, we also want to monitor our patient's hemodynamics, including their pulmonary wedge pressure, cardiac output, and central venous pressure. That way, the team can evaluate the effectiveness of the medication and adjust the dose as needed. All right, it's quiz time, and I have 3 questions for you. Question number 1. Dobutamine binds to blank receptors in the heart. The answer is Beta-1. Question number 2. Dobutamine is commonly used to treat which of the following conditions? Select all that apply. A, anaphylaxis. B, a hypertensive crisis. C, congestive heart failure. And D, cardiogenic shock. The answers are C and D. And question number 3. Which of the following are common side effects associated with dobutamine? A, hypertension. B, hypotension. C, tachycardia. And D, bradycardia. The answers are A and C. All right, that's it for this video. I hope it was helpful. If so, be sure to hit that like button. Thank you so much for watching and good luck with studying. We invite you to subscribe to our channel and share a link with your classmates and friends in nursing school. And if you found value in this video, be sure to hit that like button and let us know what you found to be particularly helpful.